Hello, I'm Warwick. This is one of the smallest demonstration solar water heaters I've ever built. Now I'm just going to lift the lid on this little header tank. This is how I fill this little solar water heater up with water. The solar heater is ready for the sun now. What a lovely day. So let's leave the solar water heater out here for an hour or two. Well, it's been lovely and sunny out here, so we're just going to lift the lid and see how hot it is in here. This is what I call the finger test. Ooh, it was hot. Well, I think it's cup of tea time, since it's so hot. In goes the tea bag. Now I'm going to give it a stir. Looks like it's going to be a good brew. Colour looks good. I would say this is around about 70 degrees Celsius on this autumn day in New Zealand. I'm going to enjoy this cup of tea made from solar heated hot water.